Who likes Ortega chilies? Good morning, Becki-licious here. This morning we are going to make an Ortega chili omelet, okay? Been making these for years and they're super, super easy. So let's get started. All right, so the very first thing I do is I take my Ortega chili. I don't use a whole can because I'm just making one omelet, but I usually use about half the can. And I'm just gonna get this sauteed in a little bit of butter. This helps with that flavor, you know, because butter is just everything. I know it's so bad for us, but it's yummy. Ortega chilies, all nice and hot and sizzly, and getting ready to add them to our eggs, okay? Looks good. I think that looks good. All right, so we're just going to add these right into our egg, and we want all that flavor in there. That's what makes it good. And then we're just going to get this mixed up, and then we're going to head over to the griddle. All right, let's head over to the grill and get this Ortega chili omelet cooking. Right. Let's get our griddle all ready. We are going to get our Ortega chili omelet going. Now the beauty about this omelet is that you can, if you want to spice it up, so like for instance, I have a very good friend Mike that I used to make this for him, and he loved me to add jalapenos to it, but he's not here, so obviously I'm not making him an omelet. So, but we're going to go ahead and put our pepper jack cheese in here, because pepper jack cheese is it for sure. Oh, yummy, 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 yeah. And you could also add meat in here, spicy sausage, you know, anything that you want. Chorizo, if you're a chorizo person. That would probably actually be really good in here if you're a chorizo fan. So, all right, let's get this puppy. Not quite ready. The grill is not quite warm enough yet. Got to have a little bit more movement in that omelet. All right, let's get this Ortega chili cheese omelet flipped on over. Like I said, yummy stuff for sure. Oh, that cheese. I put way too much cheese, but I love a lot of cheese in my omelet. Oh my goodness, yes I do. All right, let's get this over here. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna let this puppy cook for a little bit, and we'll come back to you. All right, time to put our cheese triangles on the top. And also, I did some hash browns. I made one earlier, so I just kind of popped this over here so this is still staying nice and warm. So we're gonna get our cheese melted, and then we'll be ready to plate up. All right, we're gonna get this Ortega chili omelet off the grill, because doesn't it look gorgeous? Oh my goodness, look at how good that puppy looks. My dogs are down here going, what? We want some. So let's get our omelet on here. Beautiful. Our little hash brown. I'm just waiting on the toast to pop. Well, Sammy and Chloe and I have our Ortega chili cheese omelet all ready for you. Always got to have your salsa on the side with it. Look at that. Breakfast is served. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Tastes just as good. So anyways, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and always click on that link tree for some other fun stuff. So there you go. Another fun breakfast adventure with me this morning. So I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.